In today's lecture, we will see how to run Python on Windows with the help of command prompt. First, we will run command prompt by typing cmd. Our command prompt has opened and I have to check which version of Python is installed. For checking that, I will type command python /version. It has told me that I have Python 3.7.7 installed. If I want to go in the environment of Python, then simply I will type Python, and now I have come in the environment of Python. If I have to check whether my command will be properly run, I will write a short command to check. It has shown me correct output of my command. Here one thing is clear, that how we can go to Python environment and run Python code in command prompt. The most interesting thing is that Python environment works like a calculator. If I will write 8 plus 6, then it will show 14 result. We can use Python terminal as a calculator also. If I have to go out of Python environment, then I will write the command of exit and go out of Python environment. If we create Python file out of the folder and want to execute it from here, we have to create a file of Python. I will delete this. The way to create the file would be that you have to go to that directory or path in which you want to create Python file. In E drive, I have made a folder of test. This is my path. I want to create the file in this. I will copy this path and will paste in the terminal. First, I will have to create file of Python. In desired directory, for creating file of Python, you have to run this command in cmd. Copy null and hello.py. It has created my extension file by going in desired directory. I will open this file in Notepad and check any command of Python by writing in it whether my file has been created correctly or not. I will save it through Ctrl S. Again, on command prompt, I have to run this command. To run this, we have command of Python hello.py. As soon as I will run this, on my cmd screen, the desired output will be shown, which will give me the surety that my file has been properly created. You can get a few errors. If I run a command idle python, it is given an error that idle is not recognized as an internal or external command. For error like this, then you, like this idle, go to C drive, users, local programs, Python is installed here. Go to Python in lib, you have idle lib. The path of this folder set as an environment variable, then you will not get this error.